Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gift Block. Here are 10 last-minute Christmas gifts for everyone on your list. First up is this 12-piece gardening tool set. This is perfect for someone who loves gardening and has been meaning to get a small backyard garden going, but maybe needs a little nudge like this gift to get started. Affordable at $30 and is really giftsy, if you know what I mean. And another way to go for someone who loves gardening but doesn't have access to an outdoor area would be to get this hydroponics kit that costs a little over $100 for some serious indoor gardening. Perfect if you have the budget. Next, this 20-ounce crock-pot lunchbox is the best thing for carrying and heating your meals at work or while traveling. It warms food in an hour, won't spill out, plus the removable container and lid are dishwasher safe, making cleaning super easy. A useful, practical gift for coworkers, friends, siblings, just about anyone. For someone who loves the outdoors, this Rumple Puffy blanket is the best gift. It feels like a sleeping bag you can take anywhere. Camping, picnics, road trips, to the beach, or even your own backyard. It packs into a tiny bag, has a cape clip so you can wear it, and is made from recycled materials, so it's a gift that feels good in every way. If you know someone who craves good coffee in the middle of nowhere, this Stanley French press coffee maker is the best gift. Just boil your water, toss in the grounds, press, and enjoy. The folding handle makes it easy to pack, and the insulated stainless steel keeps your brew hot for hours. People swear by it for camping because it is easy to use, easy to clean, and tough enough to survive real wilderness cooking, even on an open flame. If you're shopping for someone obsessed with pickleball, this serving tray is a guaranteed hit. It's shaped like a paddle, has divided sections for snacks, and even includes a little dip bowl built right in. People love the quality and say it looks great on the table while keeping chips, veggies, and dip perfectly in place. Next, this gourmet world flavors spice set is the perfect gift for someone who loves cooking. It includes 6 non-GMO blends, all in handy magnetic tins, making it easy to simply put up on a fridge. Your home chef is sure to love the fresh taste, the variety, and how great they are on everything from meat to veggies. Designed by physical therapists Bob and Brad, this massage gun is built to actually help your muscles recover, not just buzz around. It comes with 5 speed settings so you can go light or deep, and it's powerful enough to tackle soreness, stiffness, and post-workout fatigue. It is lightweight, super quiet, fast charging, and easy to throw into a gym bag. And it even shuts off after 10 minutes so you don't overdo it. A great, thoughtful gift for anyone into fitness or wellness. This magnet pyramid stone packs a surprising amount of creativity into just 12 pieces, thanks to the 243 strong magnets inside. Kids can twist, spin, and transform it into endless shapes, especially with the included spinner attachments. A unique gift for ages 6 and up that keeps them away from devices and screens. If you're buying for a teen who lives and breathes basketball, this gift is going to be a total hit. It's a full-size LED basketball that lights up with every bounce. Perfect for nighttime games. It even comes with extra batteries, and each set lasts around 30 hours, so the fun doesn't stop. Just note that a pump isn't included. It's bright, exciting, and ideal for teens who can't stay off the court. That's it! My list of 10 last-minute Christmas gifts for everyone on your list. Product links are in the description so you can get to these easily. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know which of these you choose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share and subscribe for more such gift ideas. Happy holidays, and see you in the next one.